Anong mapapala mo if you travel 6 hours by land? 1 and 45 minutes via plane? And 45 minutes by boat. Pagod? Hindi lang, no? 'Cause this will be your destination. This is where our adventure started. First things first, guys, we booked our plane ticket via Cebu Pacific to Puerto Princesa, which cost us 2,391 pesos per head. We've been to El Nido, seen stunning places in Coron, but this time I want to see what Balabac has to offer. So pack your things, buckle up, and let's go to the last frontier of the Philippines. Balabac, Palawan. After 1 and 45 minutes of traveling, we finally reached Puerto Princesa Airport, which is our main entry point going to Buliluyan Port. From there, we grab a tricycle going to our lodge, which cost us 200 pesos. After 15 minutes, hala! We are here in Mayumi Lodge, where we are going to stay for 3 hours. Mayumi Lodge allows you a short time stay, which is very perfect for us since we only have 3 hours before our trip to start. This room cost us 420 pesos for 3 hours of stay. Hi everyone! So time check, it's already 12:37 and kararating lang namin ng Puerto Princesa. At dito kami nag-check-in sa may Mayumi Lodge. Since 3 AM pa naman yung alis namin papuntang Balabac. So, see you tomorrow, guys! So, time check is already 8 AM and we just arrived here at Buliluyan Port. So, 3 AM, umalis kami sa may Mayumi Lodge. Lahat yata ng tours, yun yung call time. After 6 hours, approximately, nandito na kami sa port and dito na magsa-start yung Balabac adventure natin. So, I'm so excited, guys. Sasama ko kayo as we explore this paradise of Palawan. To go here in Onok Island, or if you are planning to do the Balabac tour, guys, please be guided ha. Wala pong signal doon sa may Buliluyan Port, as in zero signal. Kahit po sa Smart or Globe, wala siyang signal doon. And then, pagdating nyo po sa Onok Island, meron sila ditong wifi and sobrang lakas ang wifi nila. Meron din signal ang Globe. Tapos, doon sa campsite wherein magsistay tayo for tomorrow and the other day sa Candaraman Island, meron doon signal ng Smart. So, if you are looking for a luxury travel or trip, I think Balabac is not for you kasi ang accommodation dito is tent lang, walang mga aircon, and the CR is, they are using parang tubig dagat din. Wala siyang talagang water supply. So, but if you are into a island life, this trip is perfect for you guys. So, try nyo na. Ayan, so actually, dyan lang kayo pwede maligo. So, generated yung water, nililinas lang, and then yan yung shower niya. Ayan. And then, itong bahay na to is for toilet. Pwede kayo mag-change ng damit nyo dyan. Pwede kayo mag-poop and everything. And they are using salt water. Ayan guys. So, ayan yung accommodation namin. Tent lang siya. Puro sampay na. Ayan. Tapos may iba kasi na merong room doon kung saan pwede din kayong mag-charge. Parang ang tinatawag nila is greenhouse. Eh, wala na yata. Hindi na siya ganun. Hindi na siya puno. Ay, hindi na siya puno. Hindi na available kasi puno na po siya. Ayan, nag-low tide na siya. So, parang may sandbar na over there. Wherein kanina dun kami tumatalon-talon. Na parang, alam mo yung Snow in the Beach ni Taylor Swift na parang this feels like what I want on the screen. Ayun, hindi ko lang alam talaga kung paano ko. Parang hindi ako makaget over. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-explain sa inyo na sobrang ganda talaga ng lugar na to. Na parang kahit magstay ako ng 2 araw dito, perfect. Hindi ako maboboard. Ayan. Ano naman masasabi mo dito sa Onok? Ganda. Yes. Alam nyo guys, sobrang ganda ng beauty ng Onok Island. Para siyang, a lot of people are comparing this to Maldives, pero I've never been to Maldives. Parang sa picture, oo, makikita mo na parang may pagka-Maldives vibes siya because of the kawayan na pwede mong lakaran, tapos pwede kang bumaba dun sa may stairs, tapos mag-swim. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. So, I will be inserting some clips na nakinuha ko dito sa Onok Island. Hindi niya siya na-appreciate kapag pinakita ko lang sa inyo through camera. Pero guys, you better go here and experience it yourself. For you to say, wow, ang ganda ng Balabac. Ang ganda ng Onok. Maniniwala ka talagang may Jesus. Pero kidding aside, sobrang ganda talaga. Alam mo yung tipong, hindi ka ma-bored, hindi ka maiinitan guys, kasi ang lakas ng hangin. Parang feeling ko hindi naman magiging problema sa inyo na wala siyang electricity since tent lang yung accommodation nyo. Hindi yun magiging problem sa inyo because of the wind. The wind of the wheel, charis. Pero hindi. Ayun. Wala siyang electric fan. Pero guys, sobrang lakas ng hangin. Hindi sa magiging problem sa inyo. And for other people kasi, they are saying na maraming niknik. Pero kami, hindi ko pa personally na experience yung maraming, ang tawag doon, yung maraming kumakagat na mosquitoes, may mga other insects na kumakagat sa akin. Wala pa namang ganun. Tapos dun sa side na yon, kung saan na parang Maldives yung vibes, maraming pawikan doon. So if you are a free diver, if you know how to swim and you are not afraid of the sea turtles, pwede kang mag-swim together with them. Binook namin siya sa Cliff and Waves tours, travel and tours for only 12,500. Inclusions niya ay lahat ng meals for 4 days and 3 nights, lahat ng accommodations, lahat ng entrance fees. Wala na kayo talagang gagastusin kapag nag-tour kayo sa kanila or pag kumuha kayo ng tour sa kanila. Transport or van transfer from PPS to Buliluyan, lahat yon kasama yung boat. As in talagang wala ka nang iisipin. First day pa lang namin dito sa tour na to. And nag-enjoy na ako. Parang na-ROI ko na talaga agad yung binayad ko sa kanila.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. Didn't she wonder how I leave you? There's no tears, this my love heartbreak cries anymore. Now I leave you, I am purple.
Tomorrow, meron pa kaming island hopping and I hope samahan niyo ulit kami because I will be sharing with you kung ano pa ang mai-offer sa atin ng Balabac. So, see you tomorrow! Ay, morning everyone! So ayun, katatapos lang namin mag-roam around dito sa Onok and around 9 AM paalis na kami off to our next island hopping and we left our heart in Onok. Hindi pa nakakaalis na left na agad. Nakabingwit po ako ng lokal dito. Bye! Imagine waking up with this kind of view is very once in a lifetime opportunity. So guys, if you are planning to go here in Balabac, huwag na kayo magdalawang isip. Please do visit this place. Sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga siya. Alam mo, hindi ko na alam kung ilang beses kong sinabi yung nakaka-amaze, na-amaze ako. Pero sobrang ganda niya guys. Parang pag pumunta kayo dito, babalik at babalikan niyo yung Balabac. Because of this island ha. Ayan, diba?
Sadly, we need to bid our farewell to this beautiful island. I hope to see you again, Onok. Nabihag mo ang puso namin dalawa. This is not the end of our Balabac tour, hence, this is just the beginning. It is not easy to reach this place, but it is all worth it. While going here, you need to battle with big waves since you are going to travel in an open sea. But it's all worth it. Tingnan nyo naman. Can you ever imagine that you are still in the Philippines? Sobrang ganda ng Onok. Sobrang ganda ng Balabac. One of the proofs that this place is still a virgin. See? Kita nyo yan? Si turtle na yan. Sobrang lapit niya sa akin.
Dali, papunta sa'yo yung pagong.
But I'm afraid.